Removing the tank ensures that our water system is safe, reliable, and up to state standards. My name is Brian Aranda, and I'm a senior graduate engineer with Brownsville PUB. This project is about protecting the quality and reliability of water for our customers. The function of the elevated storage tank was to provide storage water, as well as maintaining steady water pressures within our distribution system through the usage of gravity. This tank also holds extra water during times of high demand, such as mornings and hot summers. The Texas Commission on Environmental Quality also requires that communities of our size maintain a certain amount of water storage, and having tanks like these help us meet those requirements while keeping the system reliable. The tank is going to be demolished because it has reached the end of its useful life. This tank was built in the 1960s, and over time it would have required costly repairs to stay in service. Its capacity has been replaced by the newer Southmost Elevated Storage Tank, which has a capacity of 2 million gallons. And us removing that tank ensures that we continue to comply with TCQ requirements while focusing resources on maintaining newer facilities that provide water that is safe and reliable for our community. This project will last approximately 45 days. This is why the road is closed. The demolition starts from top to bottom. They remove it piece by piece, and then after that they also remove a partial foundation of the tank as well.